Let's take a look. Larry Tentarelli is with us, Chief Technical Strategist, Blue Chip Daily Trend Report, joining me now. Tomorrow is the all-important CPI report. Look, we need to know what is going on with inflation, and this is what the Fed is watching, and everybody's waiting on the Fed to cut rates. What do you think is an important part of tomorrow? Do we see a reaction in stocks?
Nicole, great to see you. I think that we do see a reaction. I'm prepared for a big reaction in either direction. So the key issue with tomorrow's CPI is last month's CPI report came in above forecast. So one data point does not make a trend. But if we do get a hot CPI tomorrow, then I think the issue for the Fed is if they get two hot CPI reports, it really puts the Fed in a predicament as far as being able to cut interest rates. And then I think the market probably does not take that too well.
It was above, but I mean, it wasn't blasting inflation. It was slightly above. And look, it's nowhere near the Fed's target, right? And the Fed has to be careful of stagflation and have slower growth and still have inflation remain. What do you think the Fed should be doing in the September 17th meeting and beyond? I mean, I've heard everything from one cut to four cuts to no cuts this year.
So my view is that the Fed probably should not cut September 17th. And the reason that I say that is because inflation is trending higher. The target's 2%. PCE just came in higher. And tomorrow we're looking at a potential 3% read on core CPI. So if inflation is moving higher, it's hard to justify the Fed cutting rates. But with that being said, the Fed funds futures market is pricing in an 86% forecast of a rate cut at September. So I never argue with the market, but my view is if inflation's trending higher, it's really hard to justify a rate cut.
Okay, let's get to some names you like, stock picks. Tell me why Nvidia, which everybody loves, and we've seen everybody love it, and it moved to new highs, and we have Nvidia in the news today. How much higher do you think this name could go? Because when it hits highs, we say how much higher. I mean, it continues to break out. I'll look at and tell you the recent high. So the recent high was 183 and change. It's at 182 and change, sitting at the highs. How much higher?
I think Nvidia can go much higher. It can go past $200 a share. If you look at the earnings growth and the sales growth for Nvidia compared to the PE, it's at a discount to the S&P 500 overall. Nvidia is the core AI play, so it's the most direct pure play on AI. If you're bullish on AI, then you need to be bullish on Nvidia. It's in a technical uptrend, testing new highs, very strong chart in a very strong sector.
You also have GE Aerospace, right?
Yes. GE Aerospace, same thing, very strong stock. They're in a very hot theme right now. Aerospace and defense has been a leading sector in 2025. There's bullish tailwinds there. GE Aerospace is making new highs. It's the largest stock in the industrial sector, and it's really a market leader also breaking out.
Understood. I mean, big picture, do you expect the S&P, triple Qs, everything with new highs just quickly this year?
Tomorrow, it's based on CPI. A hot CPI, we pull back. Moderate CPI, we make new highs this week.
Larry Tentarelli, Chief Technical Strategist, Blue Chip Daily Trend. Thank you.
Welcome to Blue Chip Daily, one of the industry's premier sources for high-level daily technical and trend analysis. Blue Chip Daily is ideal for both investors and traders of all time frames who want to be on the right side of major market moves and trends. We focus on over 750 large cap stocks, all major stock indices, over 70 exchange-traded funds, bonds, oil, gold, and Bitcoin. Sign up now for Blue Chip Daily, and you will get access to real-time portfolio alerts, premium Twitter page with intraday alerts and commentary, the chart of the day with best idea, daily video and report, and much more at www.bluechipdaily.com. Subscribe to the Blue Chip Daily YouTube channel for more technical and trend analysis videos and other content.